Before you start adding fringe to your crochet projects, you have to decide 3 things. How long you want the fringe to be, how many strands you want in each fringe group, and the placement on your crochet project. When you're cutting your strands, cut them double the length you want the fringe to be. For today I wanted the fringe to be 1 foot long, so I cut it 2 feet long, and I'm using 3 strands in each group. It's personal preference and depends on what the weight of the yarn is that you're using. And then I marked out my spaces. I'm going to do it with 2 blank spaces in between each fringe. You can put it in every one, every other. It's up to you in the project you're working on. So you line up your edges and you fold the fringe in half so you have a loop. You insert the hook from the back of your work to the front, grab the loop, and pull it from the front of your work to the back. Remove the hook, open up the loop, put the loose ends of the fringe through the loop, and give a little tug to make the knot. And that's a lark's head knot. I'll show you one more time. Line up the ends, fold it in half, get your loop, put the crochet hook from the back of your work to the front, and pull the loop from the front of your work to the back. Remove the hook, open up the loop, put the loose ends of the fringe through your loop, and give a little pull. And that's how easy it is to add fringe to crochet projects.